Hey everyone, so I kind of wanted to just start my video out by paying a little bit of a tribute to the tragedy that just recently happened this past Sunday. I know I said I'd be back for my Tip Tuesdays, but there was just a lot going on, and honestly, I was really affected by this, and not only Kobe and his daughter, but the other 7 people that passed on this helicopter crash just really was an emotional time, so I thought I'd take a break. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's just have a few moments of silence for Kobe, his daughter, and the rest of the 7 passengers on the helicopter. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ali the Best. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to apply false lashes. Today I'm going to be using Ardell Wispy lashes, and they're super natural. So it could be for more of like an everyday look, and for my case, I actually just removed my eyelash extensions, so my normal eyelashes are a little bit fragile right now. So I like to wear false lashes afterwards, just to give my normal lashes a chance to kind of grow back, and that way I don't have to really apply too much mascara to kind of let them breathe. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and start by applying your lash glue in the kind you prefer. Today I'm going to use the Black Callus one to apply it along the edges of the false lash, and I like to use tweezers to apply and to kind of guide it. It's a little easier than the lash tweezers that they give you. So I'm going to go ahead and blow on the glue a little bit to kind of have it dry just a little bit so it's not so damp when I apply it. So I like to start from the middle and work my way towards the corners. And remember, when you're applying these lashes, do it right above your lash line. It shouldn't touch your normal lashes, because when you remove your false lashes, you don't want it to kind of yank on your real lashes, and then therefore it's kind of defeating the purpose. So you can kind of get the idea on this first one versus false lash, no lashes. So again, go ahead and grab your false lashes with your tweezers, apply a little bit of the lash glue, and a little bit goes a long way. So less is more. Do not overdo it, because then it's going to take longer for it to dry. So again, we're going to go ahead and start from the middle, and either way from your outer corner or your inner corner, and just kind of right above your lash line on your lid, and just, I like to kind of guide it a little bit and kind of pinch it with my normal lash and the false lash to give it a more natural look. And again, I'm just using these ones for an everyday look because I don't like to wear false lashes at work. And I kind of like to kind of push it in a little bit just to make sure it's there. And last but not least, go ahead and apply some mascara afterwards to blend it together to make it look natural with your real lashes and your false lashes together. So there you go, quick and easy false lash application. I hope you enjoyed it.